You will have seen web pages before that use countdown timers. An example of this might be a countdown to an event, or a countdown to a special offer ending, or a countdown to something launching. So in this lesson, we're going to have a look at how you can use countdowns on your Easy pages. So for example, this page here, let's say I want a countdown on a special promotion ending. So I'm going to go into my Easy dashboard. I'm going to find this page and I'm going to go straight into the builder. Now, right at the top, I'm going to add a section, and this is going to be the section that's going to contain my countdown timer. Now, I'm just going to adjust the height of this section to bring it down and make it more the size that I would want for a countdown timer. So I'm going to go into my elements section and drag in the countdown element. As usual, I can make all sorts of changes to the settings down the side. I can change the colors very easily, and I can match these up to any variables I have set up for my site. I can also change the sizes and adjust the background colors. In the settings section, this is where I can decide what happens when the timer is over. So first of all, I have the option to display a message. I also have the option to redirect to another page, be that within the site or externally, or I can do a combination of both. So this allows you to add countdown timers to your site, and when those expire, that action is completed. Either a message is displayed or the user is transferred to another page. Maybe this offer has closed page, or this offer has launched page, or this event has now started. So there's lots of things that you can do with countdown timers to make your Easy pages really engaging and exciting and drive a bit of urgency too.